Set up your tripod and make sure it's steady. Next, place your laser level on the tripod and let it level. Once level, the flashing green light should turn solid, and the laser should start spinning. Then set up your receiver as close as possible to the laser, making sure it's on grade and level. This will serve as your reference point. At your second reference point, move the receiver up the staff. The raised height will determine the depth of your foundation. Then, once you have dug down the correct height, the receiver should beep solid and display on grade, as it is now the same height as the laser beam. Then, while digging to this depth, check the height along the foundation to ensure the depth is correct throughout the site.